Hi, welcome to Kids Coding.
We are making the game Scratch Rocket Shooter game part 2. Let's begin. In this video we are going to do the robot movement. This is a final video on Scratch Rocket Shooter game. Let's begin. Events when flag clicked, we need to set the X and Y. Go to X and Y. We are setting one position for robot. As soon as when I click the flag, I need to wait for 4 seconds for robot movement, and for the looping purpose I am using forever. The robot need to visible so that I am using show. The robot is moving from left to right to left so that change x by -3. If touching edge, then the robot need to again restart so that touching edge. 0.1 second. We need to set the x and y values. Set x to and set y to. We need to set any value y because the robot will be start at this point, at this point, at this point as per our requirement. Randomly we can choose that. Set y to random, pick random from -150 to 150. Next, if let's see. Now the robot is moving. We did not write code for this robot, only code for this robot we wrote. Yeah, robot is moving from right side to left side. Yeah, we need to write code for if touching the bullet, the robot need to destroy. For that purpose, we are making code. If in sensing we have touching, if touching the magic wand, this is magic wand. If touching bullet, then robot need to destroy so that it need to hide. I'm copying these values. From that, the game will restart. The robot will restart. Yeah, let's see. If touching magic wand, if touching the bullet, then robot will restart from -150 to 150 and x 209. Yeah. If touching the rocket, then we need to write code for that. If condition we need to use. If touching the sprite 1. Here this is a rocket, so that if touching the sprite 1, the game will be ended. So that stop all, game will be ended. Let's see. Yeah, the game will be ended. Same code for this robot also, so that I am duplicating this, duplicate, I am deleting this. Now the code is copied same, but we need to set different value for that. One, I'm setting minus 19. Let's see the game. Yeah, let's begin. The 4 seconds delay I given to robot start. Yeah, if the bullets touching the robot is disappearing. Let's see. Yes, 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 working. The bullets are spread in all direction if I press space and right arrow or left arrow. Let's make the score. Make a variables. Score. We need to set score to 0 when flag clicked. If touching bullet, then score need to increase. Change score by 1. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it is not increasing. Let's see what is happening. If touching magic wand. Okay, we need to fight in this. If touching. Okay, we are fighting in this only. Change score by 1. Let's see. Yeah, increasing score now. Yeah, observe score increases to 3. Score increases to 12. Yeah, working fine. Yeah. Yeah, this is the uh, game on Scratch Rocket Shooter game. Now the final thing we are doing in this video is we are moving the background from left right to left side. Let us do that. Okay, when flag clicked, we need to create two variables for moment. I'm making variables. Make a variable. I'm making real, and then another variable complete come. We need to set the real to 355. I'm duplicating this complementary to 0. In looks we have show. Now Great clone of myself. We need to set y value to 0. Now set y to 0, set x to ry, real, change real to minus y. If real is less than minus 350, minus 350, so set real to 350. Yeah, we need to duplicate this. Now we are getting some moment. When I started as clone, here complementary. Now observe that we are getting something. Let's stop and let's begin. Yeah, this is final. What happened? Yeah, touches the robot so that let's stop. Yeah, this is final video. Thanks for watching.